What's up, tech lovers? Great to have you back. Let's jump right into today's fascinating tech discovery. Today, we're going to be reviewing the EXPLUX A3 size DTF printer, a game-changing device that's about to revolutionize the world of custom apparel and textile design. This incredible machine is packed with innovative features that will make your printing experience faster, easier, and more efficient than ever before. So, let's dive in and explore what makes this printer so special. First off, let's talk about the incredible value you get with the EXPLUX A3 size DTF printer. With your purchase, you'll receive a 2-year supply of ink, including 5 bottles of 250 milliliters each and 500 g of powder. That's right, you'll get a new set of ink every 2 months, and all you need to cover is the shipping. This is a huge cost savings for anyone who plans on doing a lot of printing, and it's a major perk that sets this printer apart from the competition. Imagine being able to create hundreds of custom t-shirts, hats, and other apparel items without worrying about running out of ink. It's a huge advantage for small businesses, DIY enthusiasts, and anyone who wants to take their printing to the next level. Another key feature of the EXPLUX A3 size DTF printer is its high-speed printing capabilities. This machine is equipped with an i3200 printhead and a self-developed motherboard, which allows it to run at speeds of up to 200% faster than other models on the market. That means you can produce professional quality prints in just 2.5 minutes, with a resolution of 2880 by 1440 dpi. The 13-inch print width ensures sharp, vibrant results, and the printer is ideal for custom t-shirts, hats, bags, and shoes. Whether you're running a small business or just starting out with DIY projects, this printer has the speed and quality you need to produce amazing results. Now, let's talk about the user-friendly 5-inch touchscreen control panel. This intuitive interface makes it easy to master your DTF printing, with features like adjusting speed, checking nozzles, changing languages, and activating self-cleaning. The electric paper rollers enable fast, precise setup for effortless operation, and the multilingual touchscreen ensures that you can use the printer regardless of your language. This is a huge advantage for anyone who's new to DTF printing, as it makes it easy to get started and produce high-quality results right from the start. The EXPLUX A3 size DTF printer also features an advanced 3-in-1 ink circulation, mixing, and filtration system. This system prevents clogs and ensures smooth printing, with intelligent circulation, stirring, and filtration that reduce sedimentation and extend the life of the print head by up to 90%. This means you can produce consistent, vibrant prints on both light and dark fabrics, without worrying about clogs or other issues. The printer also comes with a full starter kit, including a laptop, powder shaker, 100mm film, 6 inks, powder, tools, and more. This is everything you need to start your DTF business right away, and it's a huge perk that sets this printer apart from the competition. In conclusion, the EXPLUX A3 size DTF printer is an incredible device that's packed with innovative features and perks. With its high-speed printing capabilities, user-friendly touchscreen control, and advanced ink circulation system, this printer is perfect for anyone who wants to take their custom apparel and textile design to the next level. And with the 2-year ink supply and full starter kit, you'll have everything you need to get started and produce high-quality results right from the start. So what are you waiting for? Find the link in the description below to get your EXPLUX A3 size DTF printer today and start creating amazing custom apparel and textile designs. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to take your printing to the next level. Order now and start producing professional quality prints in no time.